On the fourth day of the budget session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly 2022, Chief Minister CONRAD K. SANGMA presented the budget of 2022-2023 with a fiscal deficit of Rs 1,849 crore, which is around 4.5% of the gross state domestic product. In his budget speech, CONRAD SANGMA informed that the total receipts stand at Rs 18,700 crores, of which the revenue receipts are estimated at Rs 16,035 crores and capital receipts at Rs 2,665 crores. Excluding borrowings of Rs 2,632 crores, the total receipts are estimated to be Rs 16,068 crores. On the expenditure side, the Chief Minister informed that the estimated total expenditure stands at Rs 18,881 crores, of which the revenue expenditure is estimated at Rs 15,376 crores and capital expenditure at Rs 3,505 crores. He added that excluding repayment of loans of Rs 964 crores, the estimated total expenditure is Rs 17,917 crores, while interest payments for 2022-2023 is estimated at Rs 1,110 crores and pension payments at Rs 1,469 crores.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, at the beginning of this decade, I had laid down the vision for Meghalaya to be amongst the top 10 states by 2030. In the last two budget speeches, I have reiterated this vision and laid down the framework for achieving it. I am pleased to say that we are on the stated path. In the first part of my speech, I will focus on the state finances and then move on to various sectoral interventions. State finances. The COVID-19 pandemic has caused economic disruption on a large scale. However, with the increased government spending and other measures, the economy is on a recovery path. The state's GSDP for the current financial year is pegged at 37,494 crores. Given the positive outlook for the economy, the GSDP estimates for 2022-23 stands at 41,010 crores. For the current financial year, the state government received 5,851 crores as share of central taxes, against the original estimates of 5,100 crores. Under the Special Capital Assistance Program, the Union Finance Ministry has also sanctioned 300 crores for taking up various capital projects. These additional funds are a welcome relief to the state government, and I would like to express my gratitude to the Honorable Prime Minister and the Honorable Union Finance Minister. For 2022-23, the state's share of central taxes is estimated at 6,264 crores. The state will also be receiving 1,033 crores as revenue deficit grant, 76 crores as grant for disaster management, 140 crores for autonomous district councils, 69 crores for urban local bodies, and 59 crores as grant for the health sector. The total transfers from the Government of India, including the schemes related transfers, are estimated at 7,641 crores. The Government of India has increased the size of Special Capital Assistance Pool from 15,000 crores to 1 lakh crore. Out of this, 614 crores has been allocated to Meghalaya for taking up various capital works in 2022-23. The own tax revenue of the state for the current financial year, including the GST compensation, is expected to touch 2,213 crores. This includes an anticipated excise revenue of 300 crores. Over the last 4 years, this government has been making concerted efforts to increase the state's revenue base, and these efforts are yielding results. For the year 2022-23, I am estimating the overall tax revenue to be 2,625 crores, out of which excise revenue is estimated at 350 crores. The non-tax revenue collection during the current financial year is expected to touch 541 crores. For 2022-23, the government is taking steps to auction a large portion of the 32 lakh metric tons of the extracted coal. I am also expected to generate significant additional revenues through the initiation of scientific mining in the state. The Ministry of Coal has already given approval for prospecting operations for 17 applicants. Given this, I am estimating the non-tax revenue from the mining sector to be 500 crores and the overall non-tax revenue to be 731 crores. For the current financial year, the overall central shares and state-owned resources are estimated at 10,189 crores. The state's financial performance on various centrally sponsored schemes and the externally aided projects has been robust. Given this, I expect the state's overall expenditure for the current financial year to touch an all-time high of 15,600 crores. This is a 13% increase over the expenditure of the previous financial year and a 58% increase over the expenditure in 2017-18 when my government came to power. For 2022-23, I am projecting an overall expenditure of 18,881 crores. Out of this, 14,448 crores will come from the state's resources and the rest will be leveraged from central resources. The revenue expenditure is estimated at 15,376 crores and the capital expenditure is estimated at 3,505 crores. I am pleased to announce that the projected capital expenditure is the highest in the history of the state and will propel the infrastructure growth in line with the trust given by the Government of India. Excluding borrowings of 2,632 crores, the total receipts are estimated to be 16,068 crores. On the expenditure side, I have estimated the total expenditure at 18,881 crores, of which the revenue expenditure is estimated at 15,376 crores and capital expenditure at 3,505 crores. Excluding repayment of loans of 964 crores, the estimated total expenditure is 17,917 crores. Interest payments for 2022-23 is estimated at 1,110 crores and pension payments at 1,469 crores. I am therefore presenting the budget of 2022-23 with a fiscal deficit of 1,849 crores, which is around 4.5% of the GSDP.